G'day folks, it is the Aussie Don here, Don's Truckspotting Australia Adventures, here via my YouTube channel of 8 Years Australia Worldwide Entertainment. And welcome to episode 127 as we roll in style with the trip from Prospect, New South Wales, Australia, along the Prospect Highway in the Prospect region. We hope you do enjoy this video recorded on the 18th of February 2026 on a very warm, hot summer's day. Let's get into it. Good trailer. Here we go, here we go. Comes a local. This is the Link cold storage with the Volvo. Very nice. Oh, check out the old Aussie. Try to sneak up the side there, boy. And we've got an ACFS Port Logistics one coming up the road here. Curtain cider. Got a Mercedes-Benz just here. And here comes ACFS. Here we go, here we go, here we go. There we go. That's the curtain cider, folks. The Var Dairy curtain cider. Very nice. That's a regular Kenny, nice red one. This thing sounds pretty alright. That sounds beefy, man, that's beefy. There we go, we got a Lions Check out that, ladies and gentlemen. They're going to Eastern Creek for the racing this weekend, or some event. I think pretty sure it'll be for the part of the supercars. Very nice. That is hectic. Here we go. Hell yeah. Oh, this fella again, the Miller. I got him out of St Mary's last time, and here he is, a prospect. Oh, you're a little ripper. Rated T-liner. Belly deck. All right, we're on the King of the Mountain, as we're going to call it now, here at Prospect. Back in from there, and here comes the CFL. I believe that's the 410. Very nice. Well, there's the Shores. They just had a Drake's Collect 14909 recently. I didn't like the model, so I didn't get it. One of the main reasons why I didn't get the Shores one is it didn't have the company logos on the sides of the doors. So yeah, I didn't really like that. Yeah, there's just a few things that are off about it. Here we got another beautiful Freightliner here. I think that's the one I captured on the motorway a few days ago, actually, up on the M2 there. K104. The US transport out of St Mary's. bunch here. We've got a couple of Kennys, a couple of Macs. Macs go first, and now the Kennys. They're going either way. Sorry about the wind, folks. Starting to pick up a little bit. Ooh, a fair bit. And there's a fair lot of, I can see with the Aussie transport. One of the regulars is going up to Pemberway. It's a dirty freighter T-liner, that one, the drop deck. The Boral celebrating 80 years here in 2026. Size over there. Got him. One container. This is the Warwood. Nice. Well, that's all we've got time for this latest episode of Don's Truckspotting Australia via my YouTube channel, Australia Worldwide Entertainment. It's been a pleasure bringing you this Prospect trip along the Prospect Highway. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Australia Worldwide Entertainment, turn the notification bell on, and we'll see you on our next adventure. Thanks for watching. We're out trucks, Australia stops, and wave to a truckie. Hooroo!
Don's Truckspotting Australia, thanks you very much for watching our latest episode of Don's Truckspotting Australia's Adventures in 2026. Like and subscribe to Australia Worldwide Entertainment YouTube channel today. Turn the notification bell on, and we will see you next time around for more trucking here at Australia Worldwide Entertainment, your entertainment destination down under.